In today's silver analysis on daily time frame, we had this level of resistance for the price. The price broke it here to the upside and it started going up, and it got range in this level, and it was bouncing up and down between this level of support and that level of resistance. But I told you that we have a trend line here. With the break of this to the downside on daily time frame, we can have a sell position here with a stop loss above the candle and look for our reward, and the price of course gave us our reward somewhere here. Okay, but right now all I think is bearish mindset on price of silver on daily time frame. Okay, we have really nice candle without any shadow from downside, but we are making some shadows from downside in recent days. Okay, today and actually not yesterday, 3 days ago's candle, and the price actually getting rejected from somewhere from here. Okay, and we might start going up a bit and touch this level again and test it, then after that start falling from there. Okay, but let's check 4-hour time frame. We can have some actually clear mindsets here. You can see, let me zoom in. You can see we have this trend line for the price with 2 touches on that. If the price can break it to the downside, we can still have our sell scenario in our mind. Okay, we can enter another sell position here with a break of this trend line to the downside and set our stop loss somewhere safe and look for our reward. But if this level of, actually I'm gonna show it in the 1-hour time frame, if this level of resistance break to the upside and close the candle up there on 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, then we can actually have our daily time frames mindset that touching of this level of resistance, then after that continue falling. Okay, let's check 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, as I told you, we have this trend line for the price and also this level of resistance. I told you that with the break of this resistance to the upside, we're gonna have buy position on lower time frame. Okay, and we're gonna test this level of resistance and after that continue falling. But if this trend line can be broken to the downside, we will have our sell positions opened again. Okay, let's check 15-minute time frame to see what we have there. On 15-minute time frame, I don't see anything special, but I can draw a trend line like this one here. With the break of this trend line to the downside, we can have our sell position opened on 15-minute time frame, but I don't actually see anything special. I've drawn the level of resistance here and the trend line we wanted. Let's check 5-minute time frame to see what is going on. On 5-minute time frame, actually we can draw some supports for the price. Okay, I'm gonna clean these because I actually can't explain these kind of things again in the next video. But you're gonna see that the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. Okay, ignore the trend line if you are trading based on support and resistance. The price was going up and touches a level and starts falling. Okay, so this is a nice level of support for the price, and if the price can return to this level, and when we see a nice candle on that, like on the 5-minute time frame and 1-minute time frame, we can have our buy positions opened here. Okay, if you are trading in this time frame. Okay, and also we have another support here and also here too. Okay, if we see nice candles on these supports, we can enter buy position and look for our reward. We must see the candle we want. Okay, we must. What is the candle we want? Like on resistance, we are making these kind of candles. It is fantastic. Okay, shadows from upside, shadows from upside. On supports, shadows from downside. Okay, or a green candle, a nice green candle showing that the price rejected from this level. Okay, And this is a really nice pin bar candle. We could have entered sell position there with a stop loss above the candle and get our reward. Okay, let's check 1 minute time frame. You know, you might think that 1 minute time frame is noise, but I believe 1 minute time frame is the best time frame. You know, it is fantastic. You can draw the support and resistances, okay, in the bigger time frames, and enter the positions in 1 minute and 5 minute time frame to get better rewards. Actually, on support and resistances, okay, not breakouts. Breakouts must happen in their time frame. Like I drew some trend lines on 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. They must be broken in their time frame. Okay, the candle must close below the trend lines or above the trend lines in their time frames, that we can say it is a breakout. You know why? Because if it can be broken in lower time frames, it can be a fake breakout and touch our stop loss. Okay, on 1 minute time frame, as I was telling you, I don't see anything special. You know, the price, you know, we had some nice movements. The price broke this trend line to the upside here. We could have a buy position here with a stop loss below the candles and look for our reward. And right now we don't have anything special. Let me see. Yeah, I couldn't find anything on 1 minute time frame. The price is making some, you know, actually patterns, but we can draw a trend line like this and wait for the price to break it to the downside, that we can have our sell position opened on 1 minute time frame. Okay, yeah, it was all about today's analysis of silver or XAG USD. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.